Hello and welcome back. In today's session, we will continue our drawing of a 3D objects. However, in this session, we will start directly from the 3D space, unlike the previous session in which we chose the view that contains as many details of the drawing as possible. So in this drawing, I will be starting from the view which is SE isometric. Okay, and start my drawing directly in a 3D space. Now I want to draw this L shape, okay, and therefore this face is in the front view. So I will go to the coordinate space and modify my X, Y, Z coordinate into front. So the X, Y are switched into the front plane, because all our drawing must be in the XY and any modification or extrusion or modeling must be in the Z direction. So here we can choose L, we move by 60. I can go upward by 65. 60 minus 35, which is 25. Downwards by 30, then 35, then 35. Okay, so this is the front view of only this component. Okay, now I can press and pull. Press and pull, it will join all the lines together and perform the extrude command. Okay, by 75. Okay, now I want to draw the this element, okay, which is on the right plane or right view. So I go to the coordinate, I choose right. So as we can see, the coordinate system is switched to have the XY in the right plane. As an alternative, you can go and choose directly the face in which you want to draw. Okay, so I can choose the face, I can choose this face and accept, and you can see the same as previous. Okay, so I'll enter. I have 25. 10. Make sure to catch the endpoint. I'll enter 20. Then we move up by 30. We have a circle. See enter. Okay. Of radius 15. Trim. TR. Enter space. And we can delete this element. Now I can press and pull by a distance of 100 minus 60, which is 40. As we can see, if we choose the shaded or shaded view, you can see the element. Now we will return back to the view 2D wireframe. It's easier, better to draw in. Okay, I have this element. Okay, get off just to remove the grid. Okay, now I want to draw this element. Okay, of thickness 10. It's a triangular piece. Okay, on the mid of this face. Okay, so we want to draw on the front view. I can draw it on this face. Press and pull. Sometimes it's not possible for the software to catch directly the component, this one. Okay, so what I'll be doing, instead of drawing this element like a line, I can draw it as segment of lines, then I join them. Or directly I can choose the polyline. As you can see, it is one element, and directly you can use the extrude command. Right? It is of thickness 10. Then I can move this element to the middle of the face. Okay, so I will be moving it by a distance of 30. Okay, on the opposite z direction. And let me switch the view to shaded. If we rotate the object, you can see the object 3D. Again, we notice that those are different components, those are not one element. So now I can be choosing the union command, choose all the components, enter, and then in order to remove all those lines, okay, we move the object and remove all the remaining lines. Okay, as you can see.